Autumn is a great time to be in Northern California, when many wineries throw big parties to celebrate that year's harvest and the promise of fine wine to sip upon in the future. Well, you don't need to actually have picked the grapes to celebrate harvest. At City Winery downtown, they actually ship in grapes to crush, press and ferment and make some pretty respectable wine that I would hold up against anything else made in Tennessee. If you haven't tasted their wines lately, there will be an excellent chance coming up on Sunday, October 7th, as they throw a big Harvest Fest party beginning at noon and running until 6 p.m. They'll be featuring live music on an outdoor stage all day, unlimited tastings of more than 50 wines, including their own vintages made in-house, plus noshables provided by the City Winery kitchen. The specific City Winery exclusives that they'll be pouring include River Pearl Roussanne, Centennial Chardonnay, Grand Ole Grenache, Music Row Merlot and Capital Cabernet Franc. They've also invited a couple of their Pie Town fermenting neighbors from Tennessee Brew Works and Proper Sake Co. to join in the fun by sampling their wares to the assembled throng. Much of the event will take advantage of City Winery's large outdoor space, so you'll be able to enjoy the fresh air while you taste, play wine pong and even try your hand, feet, at grape stomping. Don't wear white pants. Attendees will be able to meet and chat with City Winery's local winemakers Bill Anton and Michelle Folletta, tour their fully functioning urban winery, take a closer look at soil samples from some of City Winery's favorite vineyards and sample award-winning wines from all over the world. The first 200 tickets for Harvest Fest are only $35. After that they will be available for $40 in advance, $45 after August 31st and $50 day of the event. You can also purchase VIP tickets for $65, which include access to an indoor/outdoor private lounge area, plus additional specialty wines and exclusive food options. Executive Chef Donald Counts will be serving cheese and charcuterie, as well as a special light bite menu. The private lounge area includes access to your own dedicated sommelier and unlimited tastings of some higher-end wines exclusive to VIP ticket holders. VIP tickets are $75 day of the event. As a bonus, after the fest you can buy additional tickets to stick around and get your ears pinned back by the Dave Mason and Steve Cropper Rock Soul Review as these two classic musicians run through their hits including All Along the Watchtower, Only You Know and I Know, Every Woman, and We Just Disagree, plus the rock anthem, Feelin' Alright, and Sittin' on the Dock of the Bay, Green Onions, In the Midnight Hour and Knock on Wood. That's gonna make for a fun day.